In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Extend Polylines command. This command allows you to extend one or more selected polylines until they intersect with another polyline or polygon. It's a helpful tool when you need to connect geometry, close gaps, or ensure that lines properly meet at a boundary. To begin, go to the Map Edit ribbon menu and select Extend Polylines. This will open the Extend Polylines dialog box. In the Define Extend Polylines section, you can specify which polylines or polygons will be used as the extension boundaries. You can either draw a new Extend Polyline directly on the map view or select previously drawn polylines or polygons that already exist in your project. In this case, we will select the Select Extend Polylines or Polygons option. Click the Pick button and then choose one or more existing polylines or polygons from the map view. After making your selections, press Enter or right-click and select Done. The dialog box will replay, showing the number of polylines or polygons you've chosen as extension boundaries. Next, in the Select Polylines to Extend section, you'll define which polylines need to be extended. Click the Pick button and select the polylines directly from the map view. Once you're done, press Enter or right-click and choose Done. The dialog box will update, showing the total number of selected polylines. If you make a mistake or want to start over, click the Clear button to reset your selections. Once the extension boundaries and the polylines to be extended are defined, click OK. The software will automatically extend the selected polylines until they intersect with the defined polylines or polygons.